dear friends, welcome to Top Education. In this session, we will learn The Gardener, which is written by P. Lankesh. So, guys, this is also a story, and guys, only if you know the summary of this lesson, then it's more enough to write in your answer sheet. So, let's begin with it. So guys, here an old man comes from 100 miles away. He comes from 100 miles away with a newspaper and had a cutting. A knife, we can see it is not knife, but to cut grass they use some equipment. Okay, it may be knife. And guys, he comes from far away and he is in need of a job. And here the owner of the gardener appoints him, and when the old man is appointed, he changed all the lifestyle of the owner of the farm, because the small thefts were ended and the acres of land began to extend, and the income of the money increased. So there was an advantage of that old man coming into the owner's farm. Here again the owner's wife was in tension, because after gaining wealth, property and all, the owner became lethargic. He became lethargic. So he is not performing his work, nothing. He just go chit chat with his friends and all, and he had some affairs also. So this all problem made the owner's wife in a confusion whether the arrival of the farmer is good or bad. So here also the farmer gets to know this about that, and the farmer goes there and offer the owner's wife a tender coconut, and then they started a story. That was a sunny sun was coming down, okay, sunset, and she was sitting on the embankment of the well. So guys, here what happened is, the farmer, the old man, says a story of Tamanna and Basavaya, but he takes another name in this story, and this was Sangochi. Yes, but he said it is not Sangochi, but he was Sangochi. He named the Sangochi as Basavaya, and Tamanna was himself only. By knowing this whole story, I can say you that Tamanna was this old man and Sangochi was Basavaya, but Basavaya's original name was Sangochi. So what happened here is, the Tamanna had 1000 acres of land and Basavaya had 800 acres of land. So here guys, what happened is, both the party, the Basavaya and Tamanna, had a huge enemies. If he had 10 friends, he had 50 friends. If he had 2 palaces, he had 3 palaces. If he had 1000 acres of 100 acres of land, then he had 800 acres of land. So occupying the 200 acres of land, he said, but Tamanna did not agree to it. So Basavaya forcibly went and occupied that land, and Tamanna was in problem. So here the supporters of Tamanna advised him to go to court or go to police, but Tamanna decided to but in Tamanna's mind idea pop out. So that was singing songs and ballads regarding to Basavaya's cruelty. So here what happened is, he started singing and all, and he became the greatest poet or the great poet or the great singer of that times. But Basavaya was not able to reach him because he could not sing. So he started to collect he started to collect material. He started to collect assets, like he built a huge palace for him, and he made everything. He brought new stones and all books and all, but and invited all scholars and poets to his house. But scholars and poets said him, your house is empty without Tamanna's books. So there was a bad feeling for him. Then what happened is, Tamanna was not feeling well. He was ill. So Basavaya went there like, yes, now I got a chance. He will go. So he goes there and says him, guys, Tamanna, wealth is life. So you're ill, so that is my wealth. He said in a bad manner. So here what happened is that Tamanna decided what? He decided to he decided to kill himself only, so he will be the first to reach towards God and Basaya will be last. So there was the competition. This is all competition only. He has this much, I will take this much. He has this much, I will take this much. So this thought came to in the mind of Tamanna, and he decided to leave all his property, all his fame, name, everything, and came out. But what happened in the last is, Basavaya also could not leave there because he did not had a competitor. So he also died. So this was a story which is told by the old man to the owner's wife, and owner's wife was not ready to listen the story, but she thought he is an old man, let him say. So this whole story had happened, and then Tamanna means the old man, at last he says, the owner have got more property and everything, so he have become lethargic. One day he will come to a conclusion that he have to love his family, he have to take care of his property, assets and all. So this was the story of P. Lankesh the gardener. So thank you guys. If you like our channel, then please subscribe our channel Top Education. Thank you.